normally a series of words, right? In case you lost your password to the wallet, you have to enter this private key. Private key is very essential. You should print it out or even write by hand and store it in a safe space. Because if you lose your private key, you can lose your access to your cryptocurrency forever. There is no forget password like in a traditional way that you can recover passwords. So public key is your account number and private key is your password. Okay. Never ever share your private keys with anyone. It's really not advisable. Okay. Types of wallets. Hot wallets are wallets connected to the internet, mobile and desktop apps, convenient for frequent transaction, more vulnerable to hacking, best for small amounts. I use hot wallet. I use MetaMask to do transaction. It's a plugin on a Chrome browser. Okay, so I have to log in, put in my username, put in my password, and I can use it. There is chance of it getting hacked. Then you have cold wallets. These are hardware wallets. They are totally offline. The hardware wallets look like a thumb drive, a flash drive, and your currency, your private keys are kept there, right? So once you plug it out of a computer, it is not connected to anything. So it's very secure. The third one is custodial wallets. Custodial wallets are wallets you can say that are issued in exchanges, right? So if you have an account with Binance, Binance is hosting or keeping custodial of your wallet. Okay, it's very easy for beginners. You can't do much control, but it's also subject to platform risks. I use a custodial wallet in my country. There is an exchange that is fully verified by the Security Exchange and Finance Ministry called BitCup. So I use that, and I use hot wallets. I do have some savings that I have, some tokens that I bought that I never plan to trade. So I use that and I store them in cold wallets. These are the various types of wallets available out there. What are real world use cases beyond speculating on a cryptocurrency?